Hey, this will be a video chart on SAEIE. A very nice day today, great way to close the week, and with the request coming back in, definitely deserves an update. The last time I did it, I think the chart was on this day right here, and it went through a nice healthy consolidation period, and then the latter half of this week was slowly creeping up, and then today wasn't too quiet. Big volume came in, and very nice price action, stock up just under 75%. So really firing on all cylinders. And the impressive thing is, the amount of volume. Sure, it wasn't as big as, these days here, but we have to remember when these days were trading, it was a penny, sub penny, 2 cents at most, or I should say 3 cents at most. Today's action, the lowest it would have traded was at 0.058. So, keeping that in mind, you can see that this volume bar may not be as big, but if you would look at dollar volume, I would be willing to bet this day is probably, if not the same, probably a little bit more than what this big day right here was, because we had shares trading, as high as over 10 cents. So when you have shares at 1 cent trading and then 10 cents, that's 10 times more expensive. So the volume is going to add up that much quicker. So that's one thing to keep in mind is don't let those volume bars deceive you too much, because dollar volume wise, today was a very big day, and when you see the good price reaction with it, that's always a positive sign. So the last time I did the video, I talked about how this white line here was, a key area of resistance that we wanted to get above, being that it was a 50-day simple moving average. You can see today that level was demolished. So that's the first update that really needs to be made to the chart, is we've established a new area of support. And looking through the history of the prices, you can see that the 50-day, let me get this fixed here. There we go. If we look at the price history of, or not the price history, but the actual price of the 50-day simple moving average right there, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that, but it's 0.071. And we look back through the price history of the chart, and we have a key area that was a resistance, now it's a support at 0.066, and then we have another level right here at 0.064. So what I'm going to do is just kind of extend this line over, which is going to represent the 50-day simple moving average, and we'll just call this here area right here just simply a support zone. And all that means is that we're not going to talk about one specific area. We're just going to have a couple. That way it's a little easier to follow. So like I said, the bottom of this zone is going to be based off of this 0.066, and then the top will be the 50-day simple moving average, which right now is at 0.017. So this is going to be the key ideal support. Now if this zone can hold, you still do have these moving averages coming up underneath you, so that'll help out. But ideally it'd be great if you could see a consolidation happen where the price just bounces around this area a little bit before heading back up. As for resistances, just like the last time I spoke, if you got through the 50-day, really the next resistance is not up here until 18 cents, according to the chart. So you're basically in the miniature blue sky breakout now, and it's just a matter of seeing if enough interest and volume can remain to push it all the way up here. But with the way some of these stocks get hot, I wouldn't be surprised at all to see it get up here by late next week, or who knows, maybe another week and a half. But in the grand scheme of things, you want to see healthy consolidations. You don't want to see things go straight up, and you got a healthy consolidation here, and now you're reaping the rewards of that. So same thing here. If it doesn't keep going straight up and you get some sideways or downwards action, as long as volume drops down during those days and the support levels hold, then there's really nothing to worry about. It's just going to be healthy consolidation. Case in point right here, like I keep pointing out. So overall, great way to end the week. I'm sure everybody's going to have a good weekend now, knowing the way it's been acting. And the one thing I should point out too is, talked about the MACD nearing the zero line crossover in the last video, and you can see now it's extremely close. So that's always a good sign. The stochastic is now up in the power zone. So the indicators all are substantiating the volume and price indicators, which is what you want to see. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. It's all free, no strings attached. So I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up and give it a try. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So one more time, this was SAEIE. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.